Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to solve dy dx is equal to sin x. If you want to learn more about calculus, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. This is the given differential equation. Rewriting this, we get dy is equal to sin x dx. Integrating this, we get integration dy is equal to integration sin x dx. As integration dy is equal to y and integration sin x dx is equal to minus cos x, so we get y is equal to minus cos x plus c, where c is an integration constant. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.